but I'm gonna watch this video again and hopefully I could improve in certain spots. What is up, you guys? This is your boy and welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a positive day. If not, think about something in the past that was the best moment of your life and let that put a smile on your face and smile. Hopefully it works, and if it doesn't, I'm sorry. All right, guys, so you guys came in for one reason: how to start a YouTube channel. We all wonder, what is the best method to start a YouTube channel? Now you be looking at me like, this guy, me right here, M, only have less than 500 subscribers. Why should we listen to a guy over less than 500 subscribers? Well, all right, guys, I understand. Don't click away just yet. Give me a chance. We all start somewhere, right? In life, we start from somewhere, from the bottom, and then we build up. How do we grow? We grow by helping one another out with knowledge and information and supporting one another to grow. That's how we start to grow a channel. If you don't give a person the opportunity, how would they grow? And how will you learn from them? So give me a chance. So keep on watching. You may learn something or may not learn something. Or I may learn something from you guys from the comment below. So let's get started with the video. So there are so many ways and methods to start a YouTube channel. There's no right way or wrong way. There's a misconception that you need the best high-end gear. You need the best editing skills. You gotta do it this way. You gotta find a niche and so forth. Now, knowing this information is good. However, if you keep researching about how to start a YouTube channel, the best method ever, let me tell you right now, you won't. You won't find the best method because there's no one-all approach that fit all to build a YouTube channel. I'm gonna tell you right now, the best way to start a YouTube channel is right here. Listen, guys, listen up very clearly. The best way to start a YouTube channel is to just do it. Yes, I said it. To just do it. Like I said, there's no best approach. You be researching non-stop and not doing nothing and uploading videos. How are you gonna learn? How are you gonna learn? Tell me that. You won't learn anything. So just do it. Just do it. Upload the video and see what works. It's not as big as other YouTubers out there, but I'm going to have faith and stay positive as best I can be because I know my channel is going to grow. I don't know when, but it will grow slowly but surely. Like, I'm getting close to 500 subscribers already. So what does that tell you? It takes time. It's not going to happen overnight. Yes, there are people out there that have gained so many subscribers within weeks, and that's crazy. And they got that best of luck, an angel standing by their side helping them grow the channel, whatever it is. Now, everybody is that lucky or fortunate to have that. So if you're a small YouTuber like me, it's going to take time and patience. So you just got to upload videos until you get followers or you get better at it. You're going to learn from your own mistakes. As in, let me explain it to you guys. When you record a video, you start to learn how to this is not about device or equipment just yet. I'm just not talking about when you start recording, you're gonna learn how to use the camera, how to use different features each time you record. You're gonna learn a setting, you're gonna learn different techniques. And once you edit it, whatever software you use, you're gonna learn that software. You're gonna learn different ways, and you may be learning different methods of editing, cutting, and stuff like that and whatnot. And you may even change softwares as you go on. Once you upload that video, when you watch that old video of your upload, you're going to see that, okay, I could work on this, I could work on that, I could improve on this area and stuff like that. You won't learn how to improve if you don't do it. Yes, you're going to fail. That's a fact in life. People will fail, and that's the reality of it. What's the saying? What is that saying? To be successful in life, you must fail, right? Quote is that from? You gotta know, let me know in the comment. But yeah, to be successful in life, you got to fail to learn from your mistakes, and you're going to improve and better yourself from those mistakes. And that's the same concept with YouTube and with anything in life, all right? So don't punish yourself, don't kick yourself in the butt because you're not getting views or subscribers. It's gonna take time. Use those uploads, use those mistakes that you see, use those to better yourself. Use those to make better content. Look at my old videos on YouTube. You can see that my audio was bad, my quality was bad. No, and over time it got better. Like with my niche, man, I went with so many different ideas. I had no clue what I was doing. I did vlogs, I did police gear, I did gaming, I did tech, filming. I did all of that on my YouTube channel and entrepreneurial stuff as well. So many things I did, and I learned from those ideas and tried to put it all together and see what works for me. Now, with other people YouTube, don't try to compare yourself to them, because you yourself got to define who you are and what your channel is about, and how you can provide information to the viewers, and how the people that's watching your video could gain some knowledge from it and entertainment. Whatever you want to do, it's gonna take time, and you gotta figure it out. Figure it out what works, basically. So when I started off, I had so many ideas and so many mistakes, but I learned from those ideas and mistakes. I use it to better myself, to upload better content. I see what works and what doesn't work and stuff like that. If I didn't just do it, I wouldn't learn any of those mistakes. I would not learn how to use my camera. I would not learn how to use the software if I didn't just do it. So you just gotta just do it. And like I said, knowing niche and knowing techniques beforehand, a general baseline is good as well to guide you. But you gotta take action and see the results, and use those results and data to make better content for the viewers, and especially for yourself as well. And don't give up. And I still have hard times finding ideas and topics. And like with this video, how to start a YouTube channel, I've been wanting to do one for a while. I didn't want to do it for one reason, because I'm a smart YouTuber, and who's gonna watch my video, right? But I thought to myself, maybe one or two people in the world may even watch it and gain some knowledge from this, because you will only get better if you just do it. Like with this content, with this how to start a YouTube channel, I know this is going to be pretty bad, but I'm going to watch this video again, and hopefully I could improve in certain spots. Now, this is not in depth how to start a YouTube channel, since there's so many variables involved. You could add into this. It's going to be like a 20 to an hour video. I'm not going to do that. This is more about just do it. Just do it. Start uploading videos. Learn your technique in the camera. Learn how to edit your software you use. And it's going to take time and patience. And also, if you are gaining subscribers or losing subscribers, do not feel down about that. It's okay. You're gonna gain new subscribers each time you upload videos. People may not be interested in this video, stuff like that. They might unsubscribe or sub back. It's just the reality of life of YouTube and with anything. Now, with your loyal subscribers, if they stay, that means you found a loyal subscriber. What you want most is loyal subscribers that want to watch your video, and you may upload some random videos, and they still sub to you, since they know that they like your personality, they like your content, regardless what it is, because you're uploading great quality content that has some meaningful meaning, or some meaningful meaning to somebody else that your subscriber could show to somebody else, and you even could get new subscribers from that. So yes, don't give up and just do it. I know I keep saying just do it over and over, because that's the reality in life. To do anything in life, you just gotta just do it, and not be afraid to take action. If you're afraid to take action, you won't go nowhere in life. Sometimes you need a boost. I'm your boost today. Right now, we're watching this video. You get your phone out, get your whatever device you got to record whatever you want, and edit it whatever software you want. All right. So I might watch this video again to learn from my mistake, and hopefully make a better content how to start a YouTube channel. And also, I'll be doing like a different how to start a YouTube channel with what equipment and stuff like that as well. You guys want to see that? Let me know, because when I started YouTube, my equipment was not the best of the best. I tell you that right now. You can watch my other YouTube channels, and you will see that. So I'm not sure this video is gonna be helpful or not to you guys, because I know I made a lot of mistakes in this video. If I'm as you can see. But I'm okay with that. I am okay with my mistake. You guys gonna see my mistakes too when I upload this video, because we all learn from our mistakes. So let's recap everything together, how to start a YouTube channel. All right, let's do this. There's no one best approach to start a YouTube channel. I'm going to say that you guys have gathered some information already from other YouTube channels. Yes, watch other YouTube channels, put it all together, and use those tips from each and one of those YouTubers, and try to put it together for yourself and see what works as a baseline to guide you to start a YouTube channel. Now, whatever niche it is, just find a niche or an idea. This had to be a solid niche. Just find some topic, record it with your camera, whatever device, and edit it and upload it, and see what happens from there. And keep doing it. Try to stay consistent as possible, because if you stay consistent, you will get better at it, and you will remember those mistakes and whatnot. And also, look at your comments and stuff. Sometimes the comments, your subscribers or non-subscribers may give you tips and ideas of how to make better content for your channel. Like I do, I try my best to read every comment I can and try to comment back to my subscribers and non-subscribers as well. I try to stay positive at all time. I try not to have any type of argument, because that's not gonna solve anything. That's just gonna be a dead-end horse. I know I said that saying wrong. A beating a horse. Yes, I did say it wrong. If you guys know what the right saying is, let me know in the comment. Like I said, stay positive, have faith, and just do it. Y'all take care now, and let me know in the comment of how I could improve how to start a YouTube channel as well. So you guys take care and be cool now.